Yes, I'm sharing the screen again. Now, as we have all
Now,
as we have all accepted that we have to live with corona, there are few new placards we'll all see around us. Now, Yamini ma'am will appraise you people with those new placards. Yamini ma'am.
uh, hello, I am audible, everyone?
Yes.
Thank you, Rekha. Good afternoon, everyone. Here are some placards which help us out in preventing ourselves COVID-19. First is proceed. Please proceed this way. Next, avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth. Cover mouth, nose with flex elbow or tissue when sneezing and coughing. Please act responsible. Next, do not enter if unwell. Do not touch the handrails. Mask required beyond this point. No visitor allowed due to health safety. Wait here until asked to step forward. Thank you, ma'am. Over to Rekha, ma'am.
Thank you, Yamini ma'am. How do you feel when you see these compliments? Great work, nice. That's something to be proud of. Yes, of course, I know everybody feels good. We all feel good when we get positive comments, good comments. So we can say positive compliments motivates us and motivation enhances our positivity. Today is the day I feel we must compliment each other for adopting this online mode of teaching and using it so effectively in our classes. I remember our school was closed last on 18th of March. And on 19th of March only, Priyanka ma'am started taking her classes for training for Zoom sessions. And subsequently, she taught us Google Classrooms, then Google Forms. Then we all rehearsed, and within no time, we all find ourselves very comfortable using these tools. And I must say, in very few schools of Delhi, the classes started from 1st of April. But we at DDSPS started our classes on the day it was planned before COVID. And the driving force behind all this is none other than our principal ma'am, Mukul ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. And I promise on behalf of everybody that we'll keep on learning and we'll keep on giving our best to our students. And our parents were also very happy and satisfied with our classes. And most of us could cover the same syllabus as it was planned. So the gist of this slide is that we must complement each other to create positivity amongst each other. Now, as this situation is new to us, same is for our children. They also need our motivation and support. Here, I have chalked out few tips to keep our students also healthy and motivated. First is, let students know it's very natural that they lack sometimes motivation or they're less focused. For this reason, we need to deliver both synchronous as well as asynchronous classes to give flexibility over their schedules. Being able to follow asynchronously may lessen the stress and overwhelm. Next can be teach them the strategies to deal with this testing time. Help them understand that although they cannot control the current situation, they can control their responses. We need to give them the tools to problem solve and to enhance their critical thinking, as we all are doing. Like we got them enrolled for debate competition in mathematics also. We got them enrolled for bricks math competition, like that. Yesterday only we sent 2 days back Sathi app, through which we can keep on practicing online also. Now next can be give them tools to connect. It's especially important the students feel connected with their classmates during this tough time. As we know, they're not able to meet their friends physically, but we have to ensure that no one feels out. Like we have got our WhatsApp groups, we are taking our classes through Zoom, and they're also getting their work through Google Classroom. We are trying that no child is able to miss the class in some or the other way. And moreover, they need to be connected with each other. Like I saw beautiful documentaries made by our middle school children. They are sitting at their places only. They made small clips, and then one of the child or two of them combined it and made it using some software, maybe with the help of Priyanka ma'am, but they made out the documentaries came out wonderful, applaudable. So this way we need to assist them, or we need to give them tools to connect with each other too. Next can be that we have to keep our classes and activities dynamic to engage them. I hope everybody is doing like whatever examples I could quote today. Here in one of the class, I used video along with the board work, and here I'm doing an activity. Now this way, in every subject, depending on the requirement of a subject, we can keep our classes dynamic, or so that most of the students are engaged in it. Next is reach out, be kind. Let students know that it's okay to ask for help and talk about how they are feeling. Now here I would like to quote one example of one of my class child. She got stuck in Rajasthan. When school got off, I think 13th was their last exam. She went to her dadi's house somewhere in Rajasthan, and she was, I think, gone with her mother. Father and sister was here only, and she was not able to connect with anybody. She was not knowing how to start the classes, because there was a lot of connectivity issues. And she just called me up, and she was daily she was in constant touch with me that ma'am, today Chachu will not give me phone how to attend the class. So referring my recordings or Google Classroom, she was able to complete all her work. So this way we need to be kind, we need to be more, we need to be softer, we need to extend a helping hand to our children in whatever way it can be possible. Like the number which was there in WhatsApp group of the class, it was not her number, means the number was from Delhi. I think her sister was dealing with it. So I just added the new number also. I tried my best to help her out. This is what we call, from the child's perspective, that where there is a will, there is a way. She found out the different ways, or kaise bhi karke, she just completed all her work. And most of the time she used to tell me, ma'am, aaj mera kaam ho gaya, today I faced this problem. And you won't believe, the day she came Delhi, first in the morning she sent me a message, ma'am, today I have reached safely, you'll be happy to know this. This is what I feel, that we all need to be connected with our children. So we need to follow a mantra of, in short we can say, we need to follow a mantra of listen, comfort and reassure. We need to listen our children, their problems or whatever they are feeling. We need to make them comfortable also. Like all the time, we cannot be teaching them the same way. To break the monotony, we may have to change our strategies from time to time. And we need to reassure our children that they are safe. Because they also get depressed when they hear a lot of news. Like in the morning, I heard, in the night when I was not about to sleep, my son was saying, ma'am, mama, dharya rakho, और सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, सांत्वना बनाए रखो और सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, don't worry. Because when we hear a lot of information from or some sad news from our relative side, we feel sad. Same is with the case of children also. They also feel at times at their places, or maybe due to some incorrect information through invalid sources. So we need to take care of that also. I have found sometimes in the class group, they are sharing some invalid messages. So we need to keep a check of that, and we need to reassure that they come to know only correct information through valid sources. Now, music has a unique link to our emotions, and research has found that it can be used as an extremely effective stress management tool. Just like listening to slow music to calm the body, music can also have a relaxing effect on the mind. Let's listen to the song composed by our David Saab.
Months have gone, but we are moving on. In this rough patches when the time is wrong. Keep your hope, let your will be strong. Time are tough, but we will overcome. 2 months have gone, but we are moving on. In this rough patches when the time is wrong. Keep your hope, let your will be strong. Time are tough, but we will overcome. We can be safe if we take precautions from COVID-19. Surely one day, keep the courage and be optimistic. After the dark night, morning will break. Keep your hands clean, put your mask on. Drink fresh juices, make immunity strong. When you go in public, keep social distancing. Sanitize yourself, for it's good for all. Keep your hands clean, put your mask on. Drink fresh juices, make immunity strong. When you go in public, keep social distance. Sanitize yourself, for it's good for all. We can be safe if we take precaution from COVID-19. Surely one day, keep the courage and be optimistic. After the dark night, morning will break. We can be safe if we take precaution from COVID-19. Surely one day, keep the courage and be optimistic. After the dark night, morning will break. Thank you.
David sir. Thank
Well
you,
done,
David
sir.
sir.
Yes, yes. I hope. Am I visible?
Audible.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yeah, you're
Yeah.
audible.
Yeah.
Yes. I hope this song will help you to be positive always, whether you are O negative or A plus. But this will help you out to be positive. What I want to say is this: in this wrong time, let do right things. In negative times, let be positive. For what I understand, positivity is not a noun, but it's a verb, it's a doing word, action and apply. Keep yourself in positive mode always. Friends, for there is no other option. Bless you. Have a good day. Thank you. Ma'am, over to Rekha, ma'am.
Gratitude is a magic potion that enriches human life and boosts our morale. Being grateful turns what we have into enough and more. Tough times are inevitable, but those who adorn the cloak of positivity and believe in self-care experience immense inner strength and elevated energy. So I would like to sum up today's presentation by a positive note, quote, positivity is contagious. So rather than spreading negativity around, let's all do our part to make positivity go viral. Thank you. Thank you, Reading Club members, all my team members. Thank you, Rekha ma'am. Thank you, David sir. Thank you, Ravi sir. Thank you, Yamini ma'am. And most important, thank you, Mukul ma'am, for giving us this platform for learning and sharing and giving us, making all the time motivating us, guiding us, and taking new initiatives for us, and keeping keeping us connected with each other. I hope my team is able to accomplish the mission. We will win.
Thank you all.
We will.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you. So, in 2 months, for the first time, I've heard Corona is not contagious, positivity is contagious.
Yes.
Very nice.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am. It
Yeah.
was combined effort.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
everybody gave their
Yeah,
best.
yeah. No, certainly.
I'm not able to
certainly.
hear. I'm losing your voice.
Maybe everybody's mic is on. No.
No, that doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
ma'am. सबकी माइक.
Chalo, well done. Chalo, others add to it. Where is Tarana? Speak something.
And quite positive.
Can't hear anything.
And you got back, in these times of adversity, you really feel at times very depressed. But ma'am, lovely presentation. And yesterday's also motivation, positivity, and each other's support is something which will make us sail through this hard time. Okay, we'll definitely come out, and it's the same we pass on to the children also. Whenever we talk, children, yes, we'll meet soon. Everything is going to be fine. Positivity is what is required this hour of need. It was a wonderful presentation, especially David sir. Your song was too inspiring, good, and it will keep us motivated. And a drive would definitely make us sail through this. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, this positivity only keeps make us prepare for the next day. It is preparedness. Like we all know, it's a
And more
difficult
than
time.
positivity on the screen is the positivity in your voice. It is full of excitement. It is full of hope. You keep it up. That is so much positive in your voice. That
Thank
that
you.
makes the word sound more real.
Thank you.
Thank you,
This
ma'am.
is one
Thank
compliment also. This is a
Thank you.
compliment also. as this
Thank you,
is.
Simi ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I am Madhu. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Madhu ma'am wants to say something. Yes.
very good message for all of us. तो मुझे कुछ पंक्तियां याद आ रही हैं.
Definitely.
परिंदे
sir.
जानते हैं कि आसमां में आशियां नहीं बन सकता, लेकिन उन्हें भरोसा है अपने जज्बे पर, अपने पंखों पर. So be
Right.
positive.
Very
Yes,
nice.
yes.
Very
Wonderful,
nice.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Pranam, everyone. I'm Niru from Narayana. My compliments to everyone. The presentation was really lovely. I mean, this experience of attending these sessions is helping us all. And the topics are so relevant, and they're helping us in these turbulent times. And the key concepts will keep us together, and they will help us in greater balance, control, and effectiveness in our daily lives. So they are really helpful, and we will make a difference in the lives we touch through all these the presentations that we are attending together. And this togetherness is really, these interactive sessions are
Yeah, this
really
connectivity, what I felt, we are all connected. We don't feel like as if we're not able to meet. For last,
Yeah.
I think 11 days, we are daily meeting each other. We are finding that, like, yes, there is somebody with us. We all are together.
Yeah, and my compliments to David sir also for the inspirational and motivational songs, sir. Very nice. Yeah, and of course, your Hindi teachers, I mean, the Shuddh Hindi is really inspiring us and motivating us, and it really feels good when we hear good Hindi from somebody. Yeah. My compliments to the Hindi teachers also. Yesterday also was nice, and today also, yeah.
Payal here.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
It was an awesome presentation.
Thank you.
Excellent presentation. And
Thank
David
you.
sir, your song is really inspiring.
David
Thank
sir is the
you.
star of the day. He's the star of the day.
Yes.
No. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
All
Muthu,
of
ma'am,
you stars.
for giving us this opportunity. In so many years, ma'am, we never felt so connected. That now we are so connected. It looks as if it's a family together, ma'am. We look forward to these presentations. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us this platform to attend.
Thank
you.
Yes,
Thank you, Payal.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, प्रभात सर.
या मैम, इसमें मुझे ना एक्चुअली जो आप लोगों की पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन थी, इसमें आनंद परम है, उनकी एक पोयम है, बहुत ही प्यारी सी पोयम है, पूरी की पूरी फिट बैठती है कि कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा.
बिल्कुल.
कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा. अर्जुन के तीर सा सद मरुस्थल से भी जल निकलेगा. और मेहनत कर पौधों को पानी दे, बंजर जमीन से भी फल निकलेगा। और ये और जो आग की बात कल मैम ने कही थी, वो थी कि ताकत जुटा हिम्मत को आग दे, फौलाद का भी बल निकलेगा। जिंदा रख दिल में उम्मीदों को, गरल यानी जहर, जिंदा रख दिल में उम्मीदों को, गरल के समुंदर से भी गंगा जल निकलेगा। और लास्ट की लाइन एकदम कोरोना में फिर बैठती है कि कोशिशें जारी रख कुछ कर गुजरने की, जो आज थमा सा है चल निकलेगा।
अरे
बहुत अच्छा प्रभात सर, बहुत अच्छा,
थैंक यू सर।
लोग बोलते 4 चांद लगा दिए, 56 चांद लगा दिए इसमें।
63 मैम, 63 चांद है, 63 चांद, 63।
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर। और कोई?
हाँ सर, आप ऐसे ही जोशीली कविताएं और एक मोटिवेशन at times you really need it.
Yes, we really need.
एकदम जोश आ जाता है एक प्रेजेंट करने का तरीका, आपने जिस तरीके से बोला, हाँ हम कर लेंगे, and we'll able to do that.
Yes.
Thank you.
But itself speaks. Each word of the poem speaks.
Yes.
ठीक है। गणेश सर कुछ नहीं बोल रहे आज? गणेश
सर है कि नहीं? Let me check.
नहीं है?
Let me check.
check.
I don't think so. ये तो मैम बहुत गलत बात है, ये बहुत गलत बात है, एक्चुअली हमारे नहीं है।
नवानी नहीं है।
गणेश सर नहीं है मैम। नहीं, नवानी मैम है।
I was listening to all the positivity and things, and on a lighter note, I am a B positive person by nature and my blood group.
What is important to understand is that when you have so much confidence that you are a B positive person, then there are a few droplets of uncertainty. Don't forget that you are basically a B positive person. Okay, so like he said, कि मरु से भी जल निकलेगा. Okay, so ये जरूर रखना कि समय जो है हमेशा बदलता है और कभी कुछ एडवर्स हो या अपने मन का पसंद का नहीं हो तो इसका मतलब नहीं, ये अपना जो इनिशियल कैरेक्टर है उसको नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. ठीक है, उसी में आप कुछ अच्छा ढूंढो. हर चैलेंज में एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. ठीक है, तो चाहे एनवायरनमेंट में हो, चाहे फैमिली में हो, चाहे स्कूल में हो, कहीं भी हो, कुछ भी आपके पसंद का नहीं हो रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, आप सोचो कि उससे आपको क्या लर्निंग मिल रहा है, आपको उससे क्या बेनिफिट मिल रहा है. ठीक है, so that is how you convert your challenges into opportunities and you keep moving on. Because जो एक पॉजिटिव पर्सन होता है उसको नेगेटिव कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता है. कितनी हमारे पास त्रासदियां आती हैं, कितनी आपदाएं आती हैं स्कूल में, और हम बिल्कुल शांत होके हम लोग डिसीजन लेते हैं कि नहीं रुको, सोचो और अब इसमें से निकलो बाहर. तो ये चीज अपना ओरिजिनल जो ट्रेट है वो नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. अगर आपने ओरिजिनल ट्रेट छोड़ दिया इसका मतलब आपने पॉजिटिविटी सुपरफिशियल लेवल की है, उसको इंटरनलाइज करके रखना है, उसको अंदर दबा के रखना है, इसको नहीं छोड़ना, इस कैरेक्टर को नहीं छोड़ना. ठीक है, जैसे ऑनेस्टी है, इंटेग्रिटी है, ये वैल्यूज हम कभी नहीं छोड़ते.
यस मैम, यस मैम.
सिमिलरली पॉजिटिविटी जो है किसी भी कंडीशन में नहीं छोड़ना है. ठीक है, उसको ढूंढना ही ढूंढना है कि इसमें से अच्छा क्या निकलेगा, इसको कैसे सैल्वेज करना है. तो आपकी बातों से यही मैं सीखती हूँ और कोशिश करती हूँ कि और पॉजिटिव हो जाऊं और इम्प्रूव करूं अपने आप को. ठीक है, गुड, अच्छा लगा, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस.
एक्चुअली किसी टाइम पे मैम ऐसा लगता है कि हम शेकन हो जाते हैं
बहुत बार होते हैं मैम,
लेकिन वही बात है कि वही साथी हाथ बटाना, एक दूसरे का सपोर्ट मिलता है तो हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. मुझे याद है जब आप
देखो साइकिल ऑफ लाइफ है, हमारा हक सिर्फ खुशियों पर नहीं है, है ना. हमारा हक जो है सिर्फ खुशियों पर नहीं है, हर कंडीशन में हमको अपने आप को साबित करना है. तो ये चैलेंजेस आते हैं और उसी में ग्रोथ है, उसी में खुशी है।
ये मैम your what you said about chocolates.
हरमीत मैम,
Can you hear me?
नहीं, वॉइस इज क्रैकिंग।
नीरू मैम,
नीरू मैम।
Somebody has to mute.
Yeah.
What ma'am said about droplets, ये बहुत important चीज है अभी, because कहीं ना कहीं you know negativity, like Simi ma'am also said just now, कि since I'm alone in the house अभी, like Rachita is busy with her own stuff, or you know what, how young children are, तो मुझे कभी कभी इतना you know I feel कि venting is very important. Hello.
हाँ जी,
Can you hear me?
रीना मैम wants to say something. रीना मैम,
let Harmeet finish.
yes ma'am, Harmeet ma'am, let Harmeet ma'am.
I feel that venting is very very important, but कहीं पे भी like ma'am said कभी अभी कि इतना भी हमारे अंदर वो characteristic वो हो trait हो कि I am positive, but वो droplets कभी कभी आते हैं, for that you really require help, you know.
Yes, that's why I'm saying वही साथी यहाँ पे काम आते हैं, जो हमारी फैमिली बनी हुई है GDSPS की। किसी को भी कुछ भी पता चलता है तो डेफिनेटली ऐसा लगता है कि एक टुगेदरनेस है।
और एक अवेयरनेस, करेक्ट अवेयरनेस इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट, लाइक आई वाज डिस्कसिंग विद रेखा मैम यस्टरडे।
रेखा मैम अवेयरनेस इज टोटली डिफरेंट, टुगेदरनेस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
अवेयरनेस भी तो हम अगर टुगेदर हैं तभी स्प्रेड कर पा रहे हैं ना, आई मीन टू से अगर हम मिल पा रहे हैं, कनेक्ट हो पा रहे हैं और करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन बच्चों को दे पा रहे हैं, हमें पता है हम सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, लेकिन कैसे ठीक होगा वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है ना, दैट आल्सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वेज।
Ma'am is talking
you have
about
people in the house, you have lots of people in the house. I'm talking about myself. You know, it matters. Right now you understand the value of people, you know.
Now Harmeet, I am going to call you daily.
No, रेखा जो हमारी मीटिंग्स हैं और जब हम मीटिंग्स में बैठते हैं, बात करते हैं, एक दूसरे के हंसते हुए चेहरे देख लेना अगले दिन के लिए वेट करवाता है कि यस दिस इज द टाइम, हमें फिर से एक दूसरे को देखना।
कल से व्हाट वी कैन डू, सिमी थैंक यू, मेरे को तो कुछ बोल देता है तो दिमाग में घूम जाता है। तो हम ये वाली फॉर्मल मीटिंग नहीं करेंगे, कोई प्रेजेंटेशन का किसी के ऊपर वो नहीं है, साया नहीं होगा मंडराता हुआ। कल से हम स्टाफ रूम खोलेंगे, ठीक है?
ओके,
हाफ एन आवर का स्टाफ रूम खोलेंगे। जिसको जो बोलना है बोलो, जिसको जो
all groups are presented.
कुछ all groups are presented. That's why na we open the staff room from tomorrow, virtual staff room, and you can talk because आपको को लग रहा है कि कुछ लोग ना अकेले हैं कहीं पॉकेट में। जैसे हरमीत ने बोला कि मैं रचिता बिजी है तो अकेली हूँ, सिमी के लिए मैं अकेली हूँ।
मैम यू कांट शेयर विद हर, आप उसके साथ सब कुछ शेयर भी नहीं कर सकते कभी।
Others please mute yourself. Others please mute. I think that
उसके साथ आप शेयर भी नहीं कर सकते।
स्टाफ रूम आप 12 o'clock में हाफ एन आवर का स्टाफ रूम खोलो और जिसको आना हो, इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी फॉर एवरीबडी, जिसको लगता हो कि आज मुझे बात करने का मन कर रहा है, आज मुझे देखने का मन कर रहा है, वो आओ बातें करो। जनरली जो स्टाफ रूम में आपका ग्रेप वाइन चलता है, गॉसिप चलता है, वो सब करो। If you want me to stay out, I will stay out. I'm sure.
Ma'am, can we share good recipe? Can we share good food? I'm very fond of cooking. I can share good food, whatever I am going to make.
Anything you want to do. Anything you want to do.
Sharing
your
at
staff
times
room.
Ma'am, अजय की चाय मिलेगी?
It's your staff.
चाय virtual चाय. I'll bring tea and we all can see each other.
आपने मोदी जी से सीखा नहीं सेल्फ रिलायंस का, आज सीखो, अपनी चाय खुद बनाओ और आओ, बातें करो, मन हल्का करो। जिसको जब मर्जी हो ज्वाइन करो, कोई कंपल्सरी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, नहीं करना तो भी नहीं करो। आई जस्ट थॉट कि हमको एक दूसरे से बात करते रहना चाहिए। कि कभी किसी को मन करता है, घबराहट होती है, सुन लेते हो, यू वांट टू शेयर, यू नो यू हैव अ प्लेटफॉर्म की नहीं ये मेरे को कल बताना है, ये मैंने सुना है। एक जरिया रहना चाहिए एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करने का, तो ये जरिया अच्छा रह सकता है। आई मीन इट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू टेक इट अप फ्रॉम देयर एंड हु विल डू इट।
ये मैम मेरे लिए तो बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज जो मैंने बोला वो बिल्कुल दिल से बोला कि देयर आर टाइम्स यू नो आई रियली फील कि यू नो आई नीड पीपल।
Yeah, so let's be virtually available to each other, and हरमीत, आपको कभी भी ऐसा लगे कि घबरा रहे हो, दिल बैठ रहा है, प्लीज कॉल अप, एनीबडी कॉल अप, यू फ्री टू कॉल मी एनी टाइम 24/7, लेकिन अपने पे नहीं बोझ लेना, ठीक है?
Yes, yes, yes,
इसमें
yes.
से इकट्ठे निकलना है, इकट्ठे निकलेंगे।
This is togetherness, ma'am. This is togetherness. और मैम वैसे भी हमें आपसे बात करने में कोई ऐसा नहीं लगता कि हम किसी आउट ऑफ द वे जाके बात कर रहे हैं, तो वी आर ऑलवेज कंफर्टेबल विद दैट।
नहीं, वो फॉर्मेलिटी मैंने कभी रखी भी नहीं।
यस
मैम,
थैंक यू सो मच।
स्टाफ रूम में एंटर कर जाते थे।
ठीक है, अब मेरे घर में घुसो, ठीक है? चलो, थैंक यू। एनीबडी एल्स, एनीथिंग टू ऐड?
सुमन सर, आज तो कुछ बोल दो प्लीज, आज तो कुछ बोल दो, बनता है आज तो।
नहीं मैम, एब्सोल्युटली बहुत अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन थी मैम।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू। चलो जी, ओके, बाय
बाय
बाय। थैंक यू यामिनी, थैंक यू,
थैंक यू,
हैव अ गुड डे। थैंक यू नारायणा, थैंक यू नारायणा।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Today was the last session, Payal. Today was the last session, Payal.
Yes,
So
today is the last
if you have something interesting, let us know. Otherwise, we'll let you know when we have our next session. Okay?
Right, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, everybody. Ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice presentation, everybody.
Thank you,
थैंक यू आरती मैम।
Very positive.
थैंक यू
डेविड सर, ये गाना रिकॉर्ड करके भेज देना प्लीज।
गाना मेरे पास है, मैं
मैम
भेज दूंगी।
रिकॉर्डेड है।
मेरे पास है, मैं भेज दूंगी। I'll send.
डेविड सर,
Yes.
थोड़ा सा और एक गा के सुना दो ना, लाइव सुना दो ना प्लीज सर।
अभी टाइम है।
ठीक है।
हाँ है,
सर, अभी
2
सिर्फ
मिनट है।
3 मिनट है।
3 मिनट
है सर।
चश्मा नहीं लगाया,
मिनट है।
चश्मा नहीं लगाया।
हाँ सुनाओ, बस करो, सुनाने दो उनको।
There are 3 minutes.
अरे भाई चुप करो, उनको सुनाने दो।
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the considering.
सर 3 मिनट निकल जाएंगे हमारे।
जल्दी।
Okay. This song for everyone, for all the humanity, those who are feeling stress. Just believe that there's divine powers are there with us. May God bless you. I'll start this song. Months have gone, but we are moving on. This hope that is when the time is wrong. Keep your hope high, that you will be strong. Times are tough, but we shall overcome. Months have gone, but we are moving on. Take this hope that is when the time is strong. Keep your hope high, that you will be strong. Times are tough, but we shall overcome. We can be safe if we take precaution from COVID-19. Surely one day, keep the courage and be optimistic. After the dark night, morning will break. Keep your hands clean, put your mask on. Drink fresh juices, make immunity strong. When you're in public, keep social distance. Sanitize yourself, it's good for all. Keep your hands clean, put your mask on. Drink fresh juices, make immunity strong. When you're in public, keep social distance. Sanitize yourself, it's good for all. We can be safe. Take precaution from COVID-19, surely one day. Keep the courage and be optimistic. After the dark night, morning will break. After the dark night, morning will break. Don't worry, God is there to help us. We all are there to help us. And this is a GD family. It's a lovable and very nice family. God bless you all.
Thank you, David sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I'm very
Thank you
nice
to-
presentation. Very nice.
Thank you to GD fraternity.
Aarti ma'am. Thank you, Payal
Nidhi
ma'am.
ma'am,
Thank
Rekha
you.
Sharma
Thank you
ma'am,
to
Rekha
everybody.
Goel ma'am, all of you spoke very well. David sir and Ravi sir.
Very nice
presentation. Yeah, very good. मजा
Thank
आया.
you. Thank you.
किया सबने बहुत अच्छा किया.
Thank you, Rashmi ma'am.
Thank you so much.
एक और भी अच्छी बात थी ना, आज हमें लग रहा था कि लास्ट भी है ना.
On a positive note. On a positive note. Meeting.
कल से स्टाफ रूम खोलेंगे.
मैं अपना अच्छा खाना बना के लेके आऊंगी. अच्छा तो खाना बना के लेके आऊंगी.
प्रतिभा मैम कितने बजे कौन होस्ट करेगा?
12
बजे 12 बजे
कौन होस्ट कर रहा है?